everyone, let's draw and color today. Hello Kitty's friends wearing an underground miner costume. First, let's draw Pompompurin. Pompompurin is an adorable miner dog, wagging his tail while digging for gold. Do you think he finds any tasty treats underground? It's time to color. Pinky, bring on the color. Then, I'm drawing my Melody here. My Melody is a sweet miner bunny, using her flashlight to find hidden gems. What kind of gems do you think she finds? Who is your favorite Hello Kitty's friends? I like that, too. Time to add some color. Pinky, throw some color. Finally, let's draw Tuxedosam. Tuxedosam is a fancy miner penguin, ready to discover new adventures with his pickaxe. What do you think he will find deep underground? It's time to color. Pinky, throw some color. Every one of them looks fantastic. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.